Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about benefits of going to the beach. Physical health benefits. 1. Boosts vitamin D from sun exposure, supporting bones and immunity. 2. Improves cardiovascular health through walking, swimming, and beach sports. 3. Strengthens muscles via resistance from sand and water. 4. Enhances respiratory function with clean, salty sea air. 5. Promotes better sleep due to natural light and physical exertion. 6. Supports joint mobility with low-impact water exercises. 7. Improves skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis with saltwater therapy. 8. Aids lymphatic drainage through barefoot walking on sand. 9. Boosts metabolism with cold water immersion. 10. Improves balance and coordination by walking on uneven sand. Mental and emotional wellness. 11. Reduces stress and anxiety by lowering cortisol levels. 12. Elevates mood through endorphin release from sunlight and movement. 14. Improves focus and creativity in calming natural settings. 15. Supports emotional regulation through grounding and solitude. 16. Fosters gratitude and awe by connecting with nature's vastness. 17. Combats seasonal depression with light exposure and outdoor activity. 18. Promotes relaxation via wave sounds and horizon gazing. 19. Increases self-esteem through body movement and nature immersion. 20. Encourages social bonding with group activities and shared joy. Holistic and lifestyle benefits. 21. Inspires healthy habits like walking, swimming, and stretching. 22. Improves hydration awareness due to sun and salt exposure. 23. Supports detoxification through sweating and salt water minerals. 24. Encourages digital detox by reducing screen time. 25. Boosts immune system via sun, air, and movement synergy. 26. Promotes grounding through barefoot contact with earth. 27. Stimulates sensory integration with textures, sounds, and scents. 28. Improves posture through walking and swimming. 29. Enhances body awareness and breath control. 30. Provides a natural therapy setting for meditation, journaling, or yoga. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series.